how to recover hacked Instagram account without email, password, and phone number. So if you don't have email, password, or phone number of the Instagram account, then what you need to do is simply go for Instagram, open up your Instagram application, and now tap on login to another account or go for the login page and enter your username, email, or your mobile number, and then you need to tap on forgot password. And from here you can enter your email, so enter the email address which you have access to, and then tap on continue. And here you can tap on can't confirm code, and here you will have these options, right? So if you don't have access to the phone number, or if you don't have access to the email, then you need to simply tap on try another way, which is on the bottom of your screen. And here you need to choose the option which is my account was hacked, and tap on next. And from here you need to simply go for yes, take a selfie video to confirm my account. Or you can choose the second, which is no, I don't have a photo of myself in my account. So if you have your photos or videos of you in your Instagram account, then it will be easy for you to get back to your Instagram account or get back your account. But if you don't have photos, then it will be difficult for you to get back your account. So make sure you have photos in your account, and then tap on yes, take a selfie video to confirm my account, and tap on next. And then you need to enter your selfies by left, right, front, and something like that. So tap on next, and you need to enter the email address which you have access to. You don't need to enter the email address which you have used while creating your account, but instead of that you need to enter the email address which you have access to on your mobile device. So enter the email address, tap on submit, and from here you will get the code to the email address which you have just entered. So enter that code and tap on confirm. So now if you didn't receive the code, or if you will receive some email while requesting the support. So if you have received the email which says someone tried to log into your Instagram account, if this was you, then you can use the following code. So you need to open up the email or the mail which you have just received, and you can simply choose this code. So you need to enter this code to reset your password, and here you can choose the first mail which you have received, and here you will have login as your Instagram. So you can simply tap on login and you will be logged into your account, or you can tap on reset your password, or you can reset your password. So first you can simply log into your account, and once you're logged in you can change your password by logging in. So after tapping on login with your email, then it will automatically log you into your Instagram account, and make sure to change your password. So that's how you can recover your hacked Instagram account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.